Namaste, welcome back to Stitha Pragna channel, and you are watching Postman 30 days challenge for developers. I know 30 days. I know. I took more than 30 days. I'm sorry. There were a lot of things that were going on, but this time I'm going to finish in 3 videos all 30 days so that if you are following with me along on this challenge, I don't want you guys to wait. So far we have finished till day 20. So let's go ahead and finish the remaining days. Let's see, are they going to be hard? How are they going to be? So this medium, easy, easy. Okay, at least this video they will be. And I think we should be good. We came past the hard, this series of hard exercises. So let's go ahead, do the usual drill. WebSockets, click on it, create a fork, select your workspace for collection. Okay, let's go through it. View complete documentation. Okay, this is going to be about WebSockets. Postman is popularly known as an HTTP client, but it now supports the WebSocket protocol too. Depending on when you are discovering this challenge, you may need to complete this challenge in the Postman web client. Let's explore an endpoint that checks whether the message sent to it is in a valid JSON format or not. Select the new button at the top of the sidebar. Select WebSocket request and input the following connection details. So you want me to do it there? Okay, we'll do that. Copy this, new, and they said WebSocket, and they said type is raw. Okay, where are we selecting that? What did they say there? Raw, request type raw. Okay, but they are not asking request. I have never created this, so bear with me. Switch request type. Okay, no, that's what we want. Okay, so this is response. Is there anything that we need to change? Okay, this particular endpoint does not require additional parameters or headers. Hit connect to establish a persistent connection. Huh, did they tell, did they didn't tell us anything about this, right? Okay, that's fine. Let me pause. I will come back after starting the agent. I don't think my desktop agent is running right now. Let's turn this off. Yeah, I think I already have it. Let me start it. Okay, so I just started it. Let's see. This is the one. You can see that. Okay, it figured it out. So that's why it's not telling us to download it anymore. Okay, now let's go. Click connect. If you haven't, you should download that and do that. Connected to that one, handshake and XYZ. Let's go back. Now send a message. Now that you established a connection, it's time to send a message. This endpoint checks if messages are valid JSON in the message editor. Start by sending something we know is not proper JSON. Compose a new message like the following. Okay, this will fail because this doesn't have a double quotes around hello. I think that's what makes it to fail. Okay, it failed. Invalid JSON found as expected. Select the JSON type at the bottom of your message to see Postman syntax highlighting. Hit send. Okay, we did that. Send another message. As you can see, it has the double quotes now. Obviously, this is going to work. Yes, hooray, you have sent a JSON message to the server. This particular endpoint may terminate the WebSocket connection after sending a successful web message. If you're curious about the WebSocket handshake details, expand the connection details, which we have seen. Save to the collection, save the request to a new collection called WebSocket. Make a note of the collection ID and copy to clipboard. Once you, I think, That's about it. Oh, okay, this is easy. They already said it's going to be easy, so don't they have so? I think they have the. Hold on a minute. Did it create a new one? Yeah. Let's drag and drop it there. I can't. Right click. Okay, it's not letting me. Delete. That's fine. We'll add the request here. Let's go back. It's a practice. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it won't let us from doing here. I forgot it should be from here, right? Um, Save as. Can we have two WebSockets. Delete this. But how do I put it under there? Save as. It's not giving me that option. Why? Is it because of any environment reasons? Nope. Okay, let's see. Do they want us to put it under there or anywhere? It doesn't matter. Okay, they just want us to new collection. Doesn't matter, I guess. Okay, let's click that collection, copy its ID, and let's go to. Let me pause a minute. I just came to my environment, Postman API to change the collection ID. Let's save it. Let's go back to here. Now let's go to our collections. Click on submit solution. Oh, they are not using the variable. Okay, here. That's fine. Send it. Okay, all test results are success. So let's save it. I think this is an easy one. Thank you. Thank you for giving an easy one. So let's close this. That's done. Let's now go back to the 30 day. Okay, let's select our public profile, which is day 22. Create a fork collection. You have already enabled your public profile. Now let's put our best foot forward. Add a public profile and cover photo. Add a brief bio. Add a link to your website or social media accounts. Find the public profile URL to see what it looks like. Update your public profile overview. Okay, I think they are talking about this one. Add a public profile picture. Okay, let me see. Okay, I think that's fine is fine. This is where we have made the profile public. Bio, you, YouTuber. I think that's fine. Or let me copy paste from bio. I don't think this explains any bio here, is it? Website, I think. I don't know if it will list this YouTube. Let's give that. Okay, GitHub. I think I'm fine. So let's go back to here. It sent me an email. What else did they ask us to update? Add a link to your, we did that. Find the public profile URL to see what it looks like. Okay, I think they are going to ask us anyway. So let's click, right click. Okay, I cannot open it in a new tab or what? Okay, I'll just copy this one, paste and okay, it's going in the same place now. Copy. Okay, now let's click on this view profile, edit. Okay, public URL, huh? How does the public URL look like? Okay, give me a minute. Okay, I think this is how it looks like. Postman.com. When we clicked on view profile, it took it here. I think this is how it looks like. I think it is showing everything here, all the things that we did. Okay, interesting. I think these are all the collections we brought in. Anyways, okay, that's good. What else? You have already updated the visibility of to public. Click on the workspace name next to the globe icon in the top left to open the overview tab. Here some options suggest to personalize this workspace. Update the summary and description. Okay, I will do that here. Okay, click on that. And they want us to update what? This one? Okay, what else? Update a summary and description. Summary? Where is summary? That is about this one. Oh, I'm lazy to do that. Okay, that's it. At the bottom, review a count of all the collections you have forked to this workspace. At the bottom where? This one? Workspace activity? I don't know what bottom they are talking about, but I don't see any. Mm, maybe they changed it. Right now, I don't see anything, any count, anything like that. Maybe we need to go, okay, not here, here. Yeah, it is showing all the activity, but where is the count? Oh, okay, so I just made unpublic. Okay, that's weird. I don't know what they're talking about. That's fine. Let's go back. Leave a comment on the collection or folder and tag yourself in the comment. Comment? Where can I leave a comment? Okay, let's go here. Maybe they're talking about this one. Can I leave a comment here? I think this is what they might be talking about. Collection, okay. I think we can. We just saw somewhere. Not here. That is summary. How do I comment it? can I do? No, definitely that's not how you tag, I guess. Okay, let's see. How do you do that? Oh, comments are this one. Okay, so if I go back to this one, I don't see that. Comments. Where is he? He's on the overview and the window opened for them. Is this someone? Nope, that is something to do with environments. This workspace info. How about let's go into one of the collection, maybe that will have it. Okay, that has it. And how do I tag? At the rate this, just some random comment. Okay, that's done. Search for your workspace. Use the search bar in the top center to find your public workspace. This is easier. Okay, that's done. That's it. What is the solution to? I don't think there will be any solution to submit for this one. No local validation check this time, but this information will come in handy for the final check. Huh, okay. That's about it. I guess today it's all easy stuff. Okay, now let's go back. Maybe we can finish couple of more than three this time. Okay, data files, create a fork collection. Let's run a collection using data from a file. We will complete this challenge using a data file about the second best food containing chewy balls boba. Export your own file from Google search trends about this one, or download the following. Yeah, I think I'll just download this one. Okay, it's downloaded. Your file should be formatted like this. Isn't it already formatted like that? Okay, it looks okay to me. Yeah, maybe we need to remove the. No, I think we are fine. Add a request to here. Did they name it Boba or something? Okay, I can just click here. That's fine. Called Boba. Boba. Yeah, we already know this echo. Access data in text fields. Add a query parameter called region with a value called Boba. These variables won't be defined until we loop through the data file. Okay, the region and Boba will come from the file. Under the pre-req script tab, log a value from your data file. Log a value? What value? Under the test tab, write a test. Feel free to access the information from the data file if you would like. Run the folder in collection runner using data from the file. Okay, I can parameterize this query parameter. Okay, let's go to our request and what do they want us to create? Parameter. Did it miss one this one? Okay. And then pre-request script, they want us to log a value from your data file. Okay, I think I will do that here. And for this one, I'll say get a variable key region, and I will say I cannot do that. Oh, since it's already a variable, but the variable is not going to be region anymore. It's going to change value. How will I get it? That's weird. Let's see. Okay, let's go do this drill again. Console is not found. I think did I make any mistake? Console. Come on. You could have corrected it by yourself. Okay, status code is passing, but what about the printing? Okay, what is the, oh yeah, it is printing. Okay, nice. I think both, this is old one, never mind. Okay, both are working. The pre-script we wrote, this is actually reading the value and printing it console, and then the test, it is also working. Okay, what else you want? Okay, we did that. Collection UID as usual. Let's go here, go there, copy the collection, go here, click on that. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, let me change it here. Okay, let's select our environment, send it, and one failed. Which one? Scripts added correctly. To include iteration data. Oh, it's wow, seriously? So we are supposed to use this one. Use the pre-iteration data function to get the data from the file, looks like, instead of printing it like however I did it. What happens if I do this? It won't complete. Okay, let's see. Okay, I need to repeat this again, or I can do it here. Yeah, now it fine because I put the get. I guess it works. Anyways, the test cases all passed, and we again did three. I thought I could at least do four, but anyways, okay. I think I will stop here, and then we have 336 at least. I think okay. You know what? Let's do one more. So from the late next, we can do next three and three, 630. I think that will be end of it. So let's go here. I don't know if this is going to take time or not, but that's fine. Let's do this one. 24 using libraries. Create a fork. Add a request random dad joke to that folder with this get method. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, so let's close this one, save it, go here, query param term with a value, this one, without the backslash symbol. Postman uses the faker library to generate dummy data like $random one. Check out the other dynamic variables you can use in Postman. Send the request. You may need to try a few times to get such results. Postman generates random word at the time of execution, so you can see the Postman is sending by inspecting the console. Okay, cool. And what is the, I forgot about term. Send it. Okay, immediate. The first time itself, did I get a joke? Yep. Oh no, I didn't get any. But at least I got a success. Save it. Hold on a minute. Didn't I remove the dollar? Did it add it? How did how did I get the dollar there? Sorry, slash there. I don't know. Term, random term. Let's see. What did we get the random term? It didn't. Didn't we get anything? It still sent it that one. I don't think it identified it, and oh, there is another bracket missing. Okay, maybe that's why. But why are we getting a? That's weird. Okay, it sent enterprise. I don't think there will be any jokes on enterprise. Yeah, that's fine. Enterprise the first time, then assistant Florida. It's just generating random words. That's okay. I think point proven. And I add another request moments in time. Then let's add this one. Request under the test tab. Request URL. What is this? Add another request. Get request. Request URL. Under the test tab, add a script to run after the request to determine what day is 2 days from now using a built-in library called moment.js. Log your answer to the console. So if you're working on Monday, this is what. Okay, interesting. Oh, I don't want a web. Moment.js. Huh? Okay, I found it. All you have to do is add format DDDD, and if I run this, as you can see, it's printing Thursday because today is Tuesday. So 2 days down the road is that's one. I think we should be good. And I think once that is done, is there anything else you want me to do? Okay, there are external libraries. That's fine. Okay, the usual method. Let's go. Click here. Okay, let me go ahead and add the collection ID for it. This one. Copy. Okay, I thought I was recording anyways. Uh, I changed the UID and submitted it, and 3 out of 5 past 2 failed. So one of them I'm looking at here. request added correctly, which is what here, and what failed? Check joke request, which is this one. Check joke request, it failed. So it is looking this one, collection, which is that item, which is the random dad joke, find request, and return request name that. So let me click on this one. Okay, never mind, wait, that's useless for us. But the point is, it is trying to check the joke request to be an object. I don't know what went wrong with this one. They asked us to put that. Yes, term and random word. Okay, I identified the problem. The problem is I gave two spaces here. So for that reason, what, I cannot save this or what? Okay, send it. Okay, save it. So because I gave two spaces, it's not thinking. It has a random joke, so that's why it's failed. So let me send this again. Okay, now all file passed. So you need to make sure that you gave these request names properly. Otherwise, you saw what happened, right? Because of that name, it thought it is not the same request. Anyways, I think I will end it here. I hope you enjoyed it. I think in two more videos we can close this. I promise that this week we will be done with this one. All right. I hope you enjoyed this. If you do, you know what to do. Go ahead, subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Peace out.